What if one small decision you make today could completely change your financial future? Not something big, not something complicated, just one simple habit. And the best part? You don't need a high salary, a business, or rich parents to start. Most people think becoming wealthy requires luck or huge money. But the truth is very different. Wealth is not built in one big moment. It is built through small actions repeated again and again. Right now, millions of people are stuck in the same cycle. They earn money, spend it, and then start again next month. No savings, no growth, just survival. From the outside, their life looks fine. But inside, they are always one problem away from stress. So how do you escape this cycle? It starts with something very simple: saving and investing just $100 every month. Now you might be thinking, $100 is too small. It won't change anything. That's exactly where most people go wrong. Because it's not about the amount. It's about consistency. Think about it. $100 is what many people spend on food delivery, random shopping, or things they forget after a week. The real question is, can you redirect that money toward your future instead of temporary happiness? When you start saving even a small amount, something powerful happens. You become aware. You start noticing your spending. You think before buying. You begin choosing needs over wants. This is how wealthy thinking begins. Now let's talk about what happens when you invest that $100. At first, growth looks slow, almost boring. But over time, your money starts growing, and then it starts growing on its own. This is called compound growth. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more. Years later, the results are shocking. What started as small monthly savings can turn into a large amount, without you working extra hours. This is how smart people build wealth quietly. But here's the hard part: staying consistent. Every month, you'll feel tempted to spend that $100. Maybe there's something you want. Maybe your friends are spending. Maybe you think, I'll start next month. This is where most people fail. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They treat investing like a bill they must pay every month. No excuses. And as time passes, something changes inside you. You stop chasing quick pleasure. You start thinking long-term. You realize that every small decision has a future cost or a future reward. Your mindset shifts. And that's when everything starts to improve. You may even find ways to invest more, earn more, grow faster. But it all starts with that first step, that first $100. This strategy is not exciting. It won't make you rich overnight, but it works. While others keep repeating the same cycle, you slowly build a different life. A life with stability, freedom, and control. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for more money. Start small. Start simple. Start now. Because your future depends on what you do today.